Passive income from real estate is a myth until you truly understand property management. Your property manager stealing your money or mismanaging your investment can destroy your returns overnight. Most investors have zero backup plan when this happens. I've seen countless passive investors scrambling when their property manager goes rogue. Suddenly, they're dealing with angry tenants, maintenance emergencies, and bookkeeping disasters with absolutely no systems in place. The hard truth is that you need to know enough about property management to supervise whoever is doing it for you. This means understanding tenant screening, maintenance protocols, local landlord-tenant laws, and proper accounting practices. Before buying, ask yourself, could I step in tomorrow if my manager disappeared? Do I have access to all the property data, tenant information, and vendor contacts? Is there a documented system I could follow? Smart investors build redundancy into their management plan. They have relationships with multiple property management companies. They maintain copies of all leases, repair records, and tenant communications. They regularly audit their manager's performance. The best buyers also factor management risk into their purchase price. If you're paying top dollar, assuming perfect management, you've got no margin for error. Real estate becomes truly passive only when you've built systems that survive any individual manager. Until then, you don't own an asset. You own a job waiting to happen. Build your management knowledge first, then acquire properties. This approach transforms potential liabilities into genuine wealth-building assets.